Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video I want to save you a lot of time and if you are an entrepreneur, if you're working online with some tasks, marketing tasks, or you want to create an ebook for your marketing campaign, or you want to get the content plan or some, definitely it can be done with artificial intelligence. I do believe that if you're not using artificial intelligence nowadays, you're making a huge mistake. And I found the tool that I want to share with you because I'm using it all the time for any of our clients, for any of tasks. It called prompts. The website is pr.tools. You can find it in the description panel of this video. And today I want to show you how to use it if you need to operate with ChatGPT, for example. There are tons of different types of prompts that you can just use in a couple clicks to generate anything that you want. Let's take a look. We now sort by date. Let's sort by rating. Amazing YouTube video idea generator. Like 45 amazing YouTube video ideas with just one click, right? Storytelling. I'll tell you a story. Make ChatGPT become content 23 stuff. Creating optimized content on LinkedIn and so on. SEO article. So if you need the best description for your YouTube video, for example, a lot of tools that you can use to any kind of your needs to use ChatGPT, because it's a big problem to work with ChatGPT, to ask the ChatGPT the right and correct question that will bring you the answer that you will be satisfied. Okay, so let's choose this. We have top categories. Let's show more, and here you go: academics, AI, animation, art, books, and so on, legal, literature, marketing, movies, music, and so SEO, and everything that literally you need. Let's go to marketing. All-in-one marketing, social media content planner. Let's use this one. Transform your content strategy with our comprehensive tablet content calendar. We do have a client. It is a cafe, a street food cafe, and a business keyword. Let it be street. Copy. And when you press copy, just in one click, it already opens the ChatGPT. We just put in the tags here. Build table content calendar for 3 angles: product, insightful, interactive, and 3 formats: album, animated, infographic in 12 months with this info. Business keywords: street food, segment, cafe, product, and brand names: French fries with sauce. Let's just press OK, and it will generate table content calendar for this cafe. Maybe it's from 3 angles: product, insightful, interactive, and 3 formats: album, animated, and infographic, based on the provided information. And here you go. It's working. Like in just couple minutes, we're gonna get ready to go content plan for like French fries, for the street food. And if we're gonna put different input to this prompt, we will get different results. But the point is that in just couple minutes and literally in 3 clicks, we can generate the skeleton of our media campaign. And there are tons of prompts. If you want to make an ebook for your business, you can make it in couple clicks using pr.tools. The link is in the description. Strongly recommended because I do use this tool all the time for our clients, for ourselves, and this is absolutely insane because 21st century. Okay, we have a table calendar for 12 months with 3 angles: product, insightful, interactive, and 3 formats: album, animated. So we do have this month, and we can or regenerate response or ask ChatGPT to specify some information. For example, there's animated video, cafe culture, and street food. and we want cafe culture and street food. You just can copy it from here and just paste it here and press next. And so in that way, you can generate tons of information. And look at that, the coffee culture and street food. Yes, it's a little bit simple. It's a little bit simple, but you have a skeleton that you can regenerate. You can add something on, and so on. But in general, the video is like 8 minutes long or less. And for the 7 minutes, let's say for 10 minutes, we made, first of all, we made a table content calendar for 12 months, right? And we can ask to specify the each month to make it more specific, to make it more detailed. Now we've generated the script for the video. You just can send this script to your video production supplier, and they will know how to act with this. Okay, so on this platform you can find anything that you need. You can even like search for book, for example. Okay, create a book in one click, complete book, tables of content generator for manuscript or book, ebook writing, video book prompt, cookbook outlines, and there's a lot of prompts that can be specific for your niche or for your needs. So definitely, guys, you need to check it out. The link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed and hope this information was useful. So see you in the next video. Cheers, take care, and bye-bye.